Only a Marxist organization would fail to guarantee its constituents, whether people or nations, the right to keep and bear arms and the right to own and register private property.
You see, that's what's wrong with the human rights agenda for the United Nations. They establish government as the masters over the people, where the U.S. Constitution establishes the people are the masters over government.
Given this, and a long chain of other abuses, the United States should resign from the United Nations and suggest that all other nations that believe in private property rights and the right to keep and bear arms also resign. If the principles of capitalism, free enterprise, and individual responsibility really are better than the principles of socialism, central planning, and collective punishment, then let that be demonstrated to the world.
But we don't even have that. We have crony capitalism, which is corporatism here in the United States and really worldwide, anywhere where they say capitalism is practiced. Certainly, we wouldn't want to descend down the path of socialism, because that will take us into totalitarianism even faster, because that is the central control of resources and the distribution of those resources by the state itself. So you're going into a much more totalitarian direction when you go toward the direction of socialism and central planning.
We had a League of Nations, then a United Nations. Maybe humanity now needs an international forum based on the 10 amendments in the U.S. Constitution, rather than the 10 planks in the Communist Manifesto.
I think we establish a new body, international, but much more limited in its scope. And this would be the United Democracies. And only those countries who regularly elect their governments by universal secret ballot should be allowed to belong. That way you exercise constraint and you prevent the body from being captured, as the UN has been captured by communists. Any constitution that loves its people enough to allow them to vote for the governing class, that and only that should be allowed to belong to the United Democracies.